What's up, guys? I'm out here shooting on the Sony A7 III with the 85mm f1.8. I'm switching back to this camera and lens because I've got a wedding scheduled coming up in a few days and I need something more reliable with the autofocus and more reliable in low light. So I've got some image samples and some video from out here hiking, so I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, give me a like, give me a comment, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.